अस्सलाम वालेकुम। और ये वीडियो जो हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं मॉर्निंग टाइम, और इसे हम कहते हैं इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशंस। वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस वन ऑफ माय सीनियर स्टूडेंट। लेट्स टॉक टू हिम। His name is Akhtar, and also he is not only my student but also he is teaching. He is also teachers. Let's talk to him. How did you improve your English?
Sir, how did I improve my English? When I started learning language, so I had a great interest. I was interested in English language, so I decided to learn English language. At that time, I did not have company, so I was looking for a company. So as luck would have it, I mingled up with some guys, and they were also interested in English language. They plunked up my courage, and they said to me that you have got it what takes to be a good spoken. You have got it what takes to be adroit at language, so you have to put your mind into it. So at that time I decided that I will learn English, so I practiced with the different people at that time, so I did not leave my practice. After all of that, I came to know that this language is so much indispensable, and practice is also so much momentous for everyone. So that's the way, sir, I improved my English.
That's a wonderful thoughts about my student, my senior student. What do you think about this institute, and what do you think about this channel, YouTube channel I have started? That. What's your opinion about it?
Sir, as far as I can, tell you that you have started such a fantastic job. This is a commendable work which you have started, and I really appreciate your efforts. Your efforts are out of this league, and I know that you can do so many things for the citizen of Jacobabad. They are looking for a good environment, and you have already created such a conducive environment for students, so it's up to them. And I appreciate you, and best of luck for your YouTube channel, and sooner rather than late you will make a mark, because I know your guts that you are an exceedingly tenacious person, and you are experienced teacher, and your way of teaching is also out of this world. So my best wishes are with you, sir.
Thank you very much. Actually, you have seen that how is he speaking and how is fluent in this language. Actually, he is keeping touch with me for a long time, so that's why he is able to convey his message to other peoples. Okay, what is your message for the student? How they enhance their vocabulary?
Sir, they can enhance their vocabulary. They must read newspaper. They must read different books. They have to be bookworm. As much as they read, sir, they can enhance their vocabulary. Vocabulary can be enhanced by reading, sir. They have to read. They have to read so much so that they can enhance their vocabulary. If they are going to read newspaper, then in newspaper they can find out a plethora of exquisite words of English. As soon as they find out those words, then they have to remember those words with the spelling. After remembering those words, with the spelling, then they can make a most use of them in writing, reading, as well as they can share those words with their friends. So as they will do this activity, I feel sure that they will never forget those words. That those words will be in their mind for good. So vocabulary can be improved, sir, while reading, writing. They can find out different ways of enhancing their vocabulary. And as far as I can tell you that, sir, this is a coherent way of enhancing vocabulary, that they must read newspaper, they must read different books. So this is suggestion for them. They have to take out time for reading.
Yeah, no doubt, reading is playing a vital role to enhance your vocabulary. Okay, and what do you think about that? How students boost up their confidence? Actually, I have seen a lot of students, their lack of the confidence when it comes to speaking English, they fumble a lot. And what they have to do to get rid of their hesitations?
Actually, sir, to be totally upfront, that they must put their heart and soul together for practice. They are far away from practice, which is why they are not able to speak English, and they are hesitating a lot while speaking. They fumble. So if they want to get rid of hesitation, then they need to practice. They need to practice, and they need to speak English. 9 times out of 10, when they come to center, they should come up with innovative ideas. They can be a quintessential student if they put their heart and soul together for language, if they give it their shot for improving their language, so it can be not such a daunting task for them. It's not banner for students to speak good English with a great certitude. There are so many ways to get rid of hesitations. If they practice, I feel sure that below by below they will be able to get rid of hesitation, and they will never make mistake. They will speak English with a great alacrity. So as the way I have improved English, so I have sir, told you everything about it.
That's wonderful thoughts. Actually, practice makes a man perfect. Keep practicing, keep watching this YouTube channel. इंशाल्लाह मैं बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ आपके पास लेकर आऊँगा, और इस सेशन में, प्रैक्टिस सेशंस में हमने सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात की है, ताकि आपको पता चले कि भाई हाउ माय स्टूडेंट दे आर स्पीकिंग, वो किस तरह स्पीकिंग कर सकते हैं। तो इस चैनल का यानी इस वीडियो का बनाने का मकसद ही ये है कि भाई आप ये बार बार सुनें, क्योंकि भाई लिसनिंग बड़ी काम की होती है। जब आप लिसन करते हो बहुत सारे आपको आइडियाज़ होते हैं। इंशाल्लाह हम ऐसी प्रैक्टिस सेशन की वीडियो, शॉर्ट वीडियो बनाते रहेंगे, जिससे आपको बहुत सारा फ़ायदा होगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।